Yo, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys one of my latest sneaker pickups. I haven't been picking up a lot of sneakers, and this one right here just happened to catch my eye. It happened to be the right price, the right timing, and the right colorway to add to my newly cut down sneaker collection. So without any further ado, let's get into it. We're going to be taking a look at the Nike Crazy Camo Dunk Lows. I hope everybody's doing well, and it's crazy because the last week the weather got me feeling like it was summer already. I think we were having maybe like 90 to 95 degrees out here, and today when I was doing all the B-roll, you're gonna see a lot of wind in it. It's freezing outside now, so we went from like 90 degrees to 65, 60-ish, and that's cold for California. Anyways, this is going to be a quick review on the Crazy Camo Dunk Lows. I'm gonna give a little bit of backstory about how this came up. As you guys know, I sold most of my sneaker collection and I've been keeping it down to under 30 pairs. So whenever I do buy a shoe, it's a shoe that I know I'm gonna wear for sure. And I'm not even gonna lie to you, I didn't really catch these when they first came out. These came out in August of 2021. So a little bit of time has passed by, and I feel like this colorway in particular kind of slipped under a lot of people's radars. So that's why I figured I would do a quick review on these if you guys are interested in, you know, some Dunk Lows for the low. Okay, so quick backstory. One of my homies was selling a bunch of shoes, and when I opened this box, I saw these Camo Dunks, and I was like, man, what the heck are these? These are actually kind of fire. I've never seen them before. I looked them up, and on StockX, they're not going for too much. They're going for around 160 to 170 depending on what size you are. So he gave me the homie hookup. I think I bought these for around 150 bucks, which isn't bad because retail on Dunk is 110, and after taxes you're paying about 120. So if you guys are looking for cheap Dunk Lows, definitely keep these ones on your radar because they're not going for too much right now. And I'll have a link down below in the description if you guys want to check out some eBay listings. But yeah, when I first saw these, I was like, wow, these shoes bring me back. You might be asking yourself, Alex, how are these shoes bringing you back? What's so special about these shoes right here? If y'all were in the Call of Duty era and you played a lot of games back in the day, these just have some Call of Duty vibes. It's just the camos, man. Modern Warfare 2 was hands down my favorite game, and I feel like this shoe right here has that Call of Duty influence. It would have been dope if it was a Call of Duty collaboration, but it's just a bunch of camos mashed up on these Dunk Lows. Let's just get right into it. We're gonna start off with the outsoles. The outsoles have a really nice minty green. This reminds me of green tea ice cream. So we got that green tea ice cream hit on the bottom, and then as we work our way up, we're greeted with a nice white midsole. Whenever it comes to Dunks, I really appreciate how long they last and how durable they are. That's why I love me some Dunk Lows. On top of that, they added the extra spice with the green tea stitching all around the midsole area, contrasting very well with the outsole as well as that swoosh right there. Now moving along to the uppers, we see a bunch of crazy camos. Now I don't know if you guys saw it before, but everything is pretty much mismatched on this shoe. I'm sorry I don't know the exact names of these camos, but I'm gonna create some names. So I would say this is like a Sahara Digi camo. On the side, it looks like we got some woodland, and then on the back, we have a little bit of tiger. That's super nice. For some reason, this camo always reminds me of 10 Deep. That's just how I lock it in. And then on the back, for this shoe, we have a nice orange hit right here, the Nike basketball, which goes pretty well with this shoe because I feel like this shoe could really blend in on an everyday wear kind of shoe. It's very dark. It has the earth tones on it, but when you actually pay attention to it, you're gonna see all the details, all the crazy camos, and how the shoes are mismatched. Moving on to the interior of the shoe, we have that green tea look with that nice bright orange Nike hit on the heel. I forgot to mention that all of the camo is a canvas material, and all of the black material is going to feature a pebbled leather. Now in terms of quality, I wouldn't say that this is the craziest leather I've ever felt. This is more of the cheaper end leather, but when it comes to Dunks, I usually wear these shoes to just beat around. You know, you're just gonna wear these as an everyday wear. This is something that You don't really have to worry about too much, and that's what I appreciate about a Nike Dunk. But one thing I'll tell you guys though is that canvas and that leather combo is going to hold up very well over time. Back in the day, I used to wear a lot of suede shoes, and suede shoes are super nice, but I always felt like I had to keep my eye on it. You have to worry about water, you have to worry about people stepping on it, people scuffing it, and when you get it scuffed, you got to clean it a certain way. So there's a whole new method when it comes to suede shoes and nubuck shoes, but for canvas, leather, mesh, and all that good stuff, those shoes last the longest. I feel like I'll definitely be putting these to the test this summer. Now, one thing that I noticed is that this pair does not come with replacement laces. So what I'm gonna ask you guys is, what kind of laces do you see on this pair right here? I've seen a couple people swap it to that orange because of that orange hit on the back. I think maybe a cream lace would be nice on this, or even maybe a set of white laces. I don't know. I think the laces could definitely set the shoe off and make it pop a little bit more. But honestly, I think this is a beautiful shoe for everyday wear. Again, beautiful, beautiful shoe. Now, the only thing that threw me off about this particular pair has to be this tongue. We have to discuss the tongue. If you've ever had a Dunk before, you already know how that tongue looks. And this tongue, it's a little bit different. It's crafted with a little bit different material. It has a little fluff to it. Not the same fluff as a SB tongue, but it's a little bit weird and awkward. But as long as you tie these up and this just doesn't like flop up, you'll be good. I don't know, that's the only thing that bothers me slightly with this pair, and it almost made me consider getting rid of these, but I think I'm gonna just rock it out. It's just gonna take a little bit of time to get used to that. Overall, I think this is an amazing pair. And I also feel like there's a lot of shoes out there, a lot of Dunks in particular, that are flying under the radar. There's not a lot of hype, there's not a lot of talk to them. So I might do a video showing you guys my top 10 Nike Dunks for under $250. I know I did a video like that before and you guys really liked it. If you guys want an updated video for Dunk lows, maybe Dunk highs, or maybe just a general video for Dunks in 2022 under $250, let me know in the comments section down below. That's pretty much gonna wrap up this review right here. Again, nothing too crazy. I just wanted to showcase a new sneaker pickup that I got because they don't come in too often. But I do have another pair coming in that I purchased from StockX. I bought these shoes off of StockX. That's a telltale sign that I must love the shoe. If I'm willing to pay StockX price and wait 2-3 weeks for those things to come in, you know I love that shoe. I'm excited for that one. I'm gonna have to wait a little bit for those to come in. But again, let me know what you guys think about these Dunks in the comments section down below. Did you know that these came out? Did these fly under your radar, or did you know about these? Also, don't forget that I'm doing an Air Force giveaway. So if you guys would like to enter, you could check my last video, which is the Air Force custom video, which will be linked down below. And the winner will be announced on 4/20. If you guys would like to shop, shopsultopia.com is my website. That's where you can find custom goods, sneakers, sneaker cleaner, accessories, and a whole bunch of other stuff. So go ahead and check that out. That'll be down below if you guys would like to support. Anyways, it's been your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay. I'll see you guys very soon for the next video. I'm out. Peace.